Greetings to everyone. But let's give you a round of applause. Such an honor to be with you once again. Today, family, I want to talk about Diddy, Sean P. Daddy. I can't even keep up with the names. Apparently now everyone is calling him Cuff, handcuff dad, cuff dad. But family, I want to explore the legality of it, how I would defend Sean Cuff Daddy if I was his attorney. As you can see, family, I'm not an attorney. I've been a bail bondsman for 30 years, real estate broker 30 years, notary for 10, 15 years. Uh, so national certified legal assistant and paralegal for 20, 25 years. And I've had some personal encounters with the legal system that I was very successfully defending myself. I've also helped many of my defendants and their attorneys. So let's get down to how I would defend Sean Khan. Just as a legal eagle, I could never be a prosecutor. I would have, if I was an attorney, I would have to be a defense attorney. I just cut to help people out instead of getting them in legally. The moral part of it, family, I'll leave it up to you. But Diddy needs a dream team. He needs F. Lee Bailey. F. Lee Bailey family was all about evidence. All he ever studied was evidence, how to keep uh, evidence out and how to get evidence in. Well, we hear that term, family. What is evidence? Basically, family, there's two types of evidence. There's testimony, as in Tyson case. The woman said he did it. Basically, that was enough. Then you have what we call physical or demonstrative evidence, fingerprints, DNA. And then we have what we call circumstantial evidence. The best example of that is kind of like a child to say, Mama, I wasn't in the cookie jar. I didn't get those cookies, but there's crumbs and chocolate all over my hand. So that's called circumstantial evidence. In fact, most cases are won or lost on uh, circumstantial evidence. He needs an Alan Dershowitz, someone that can deal with if you get to an appeal. Alan Dershowitz that was basically his expertise in how to win the appeal. Then he needs a fixer, just in case he decides not to go to trial, or even during the trial, he might decide to make a deal. And that's what Superior was. He was known as a fixer. Then you need a geek, my favorite guy. You need a computer geek, you need a technological geek, and Barry Sheck was a great DNA geek. And presently, he's doing great work in what's called the Innocent Project. The next family, you need what the old school guys call a mouthpiece. You need Johnny Cochran. If the shoe don't fit, you must all quit. So family, he need a dream team. But family, remember, all he need is one vote. Just one vote. And to me, I would be looking for a male with a broken heart, a male that's been in divorce and who have lost everything or nearly everything. And family, I'm going to leave you right here, but I'm going to do a part three on this. The next thing that I would do, family, I would actually challenge the legitimacy of the RICO statute that they are using to overcome the statute of limitation. And I would use family Article 1, Clause 9, Section 3 of the United States Constitution, the supreme law of the land. I would give them a fight for their money, family. If you're not familiar with that statute, feel free to look it up. Basically, I would deal with the part that's called ex post facto. How you going to make a law after I've done a crime and predated it, basically? If that's the case, family, the government could put any of us in jail. They could say, well, you walk on a crack. You walk on the sidewalk 10 years ago. It wasn't illegal, but now we're going to make it illegal. So, family, I have real questions about the legitimacy, the constitutionality of the RICO Act, and in my humble opinions, family, is definitely unconscionable and also illegal. So, family, friends, loved ones, I will leave you right here. My computer's kind of going a little crazy. I would eventually continue doing the series on this. I will be doing a uh, part 3 on how I would defend uh, Puff Cup Daddy. So, family, friends, loved one, thanks a million for listening. I appreciate it if you enjoyed this video. I appreciate it if you hit my subscribe and my like button. Help me grow. And remember, family, friends, teach yourself, be good to yourself, and relax. Chill out. It's crazy out there. Thanks a million. Peace. I love you.